Have you ever seen a product so innovative that it makes you wonder, why didn't I think of that? Well, today we're diving into some of the most mind-blowing inventions that are changing the way we experience technology, style, and even nature. From next-level earbuds to a futuristic ring watch and a mini forest in a glass, these products are pushing the boundaries of creativity. Let's jump right in. Introducing the SteelSeries Arctis G Buds, the ultimate wireless earbuds designed to replace every audio device you own. These cutting-edge earbuds work seamlessly across mobile phones, PCs, PlayStation, Xbox, and even the Nintendo Switch. With a sleek white finish and an IP55 water-resistant design, they're built for workouts, gaming, and everyday use. What makes them truly next-gen? Active noise cancellation and transparent mode for complete control over your audio environment. Ultra-low latency via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity with the included USB-C dongle. 10-hour battery life, extendable to 30 hours with the case, and wireless charging for non-stop performance. Whether you're gaming, taking calls, or just vibing with your favorite music, the SteelSeries Arctis G Buds redefine what earbuds can do. Imagine having your very own miniature forest right on your desk. Meet Petit Forêt, the mesmerizing glass-encased ecosystem that lets you bring nature indoors like never before. Straight from Kickstarter, this DIY kit allows you to assemble, customize, and nurture your tiny green paradise. Just add water, connect the power, and watch as the built-in fan and LED lighting create a stunning mist effect while purifying the air. You can even control the lighting and colors via an app, making it a perfect aesthetic piece for your bedroom, office, or any cozy space. If you're a fan of nature-inspired decor, this is a must-have. Casio has done it again. To celebrate 50 years of innovation, they've introduced something truly unique, the Casio Ring Watch. This stainless steel masterpiece takes the classic Casio design and shrinks it down into a fully functional ring. Despite its size, it's packed with features. Stopwatch and dual time zones for convenience. Date display and backlight for easy readability. Water-resistant design, making it both stylish and practical. Whether you're a collector or a retro tech lover, this Casio Ring Watch is a conversation starter and a one-of-a-kind accessory. love retro futurism, this one's for you. The Ritou Retro Clock and Radio is a stunning blend of old-school charm and modern technology. Handcrafted with a wood and metal finish, this device isn't just a clock, it's also a Bluetooth speaker, AM/FM radio, and an alarm clock. But what makes it truly unique? Nixie tube display for an authentic vintage aesthetic. Customizable LED colors for a personalized look. Classic radio antenna design, blending nostalgia with high-tech features. Perfect for home or office decor, this piece brings the past into the future. Data desse tipo, isso aqui. These inventions prove that creativity has no limits. Whether it's the game-changing earbuds, the futuristic ring watch, or the stunning miniature forest, innovation is happening all around us. Which of these blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into next-gen inventions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the coolest new tech. See you in the next video.